Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having a good day. So we're going to tell you how you can enable dark mode on Snapchat. You need to be on the latest version of Snapchat for this. Going to go over to Snapchat, go to your Bitmoji icon, then settings, and then scroll down to app appearance. From here you can set it to whatever you like, so light mode, dark mode, or like it can change whether you're on light or dark mode on your actual device, which is demonstrated here now. And that is really cool. I think it's taken Snapchat a while to do this because apps like Twitter and Instagram have had dark mode for a while, so it's a bit disappointing. But it's finally here, guys. You can't really complain, and it works all fine. And here's some demonstrations of it working. So you can go into the message section of a person that you want to message. It will be a black screen if you're on dark mode and a white screen if you're on light mode. So I'm going to show you that now. So it's light mode here, and you can type whatever you want. I am screen recording this, so yep, it shows that I'm screen recording. Anyway, if you're in dark mode, I think this looks so much cleaner, in my opinion. It might just be me, but that looks so much cleaner in dark mode. I really like that, to be honest. And now when you have messages, it like it sort of all blends in. It just suits Snapchat, if you know what I mean. Right, let's open this up and let's test this out. So we're going to message this account, and the notification will come up. It will be dark instead of light at the top to say that I'm typing. I think that just looks so much cleaner. I don't know whether it's just me or not, but yeah, I really like that. And yeah, that's how you do it, guys. You want to go to Snapchat, make sure you're in the latest update, and then go to settings. After you click your Bitmoji, scroll down to app appearance, and you can change it from there. Hope you've enjoyed the video. See you on the next one. Peace.